So today we are going to talk about phone numbers, right? So this is something a lot of students already know how to do very well because they have to call people and tell people their phone number. But I thought we would practice with writing the numbers also. So if you have paper and pen, you can write the phone numbers that we're practicing to help you with spelling and with your writing. But if you just need speaking practice, then you can just say the phone numbers with me. Okay, so we have this phone number, right? 702-555-0312. Okay, let's go through that slowly and look and say each number. Okay, so this first three we're gonna do. So the first number is 7, right? 7, 0, 2. So let me get a little pen out. So this one's 7, right? S-E-V-E-N, 7. That's this one, 7. 0, Z-E-R-O, 0. That's this one right here. And then you have this one, 2, 2, T-O, or T-W-O is this number, 2. So we got the first three. So 702, and this is how you spell it, 702. All right, these next three numbers are 5, 5, 5. So this is the same number 3 times, right? So we have 5, 5, 5, and it's all right here, 5, 5, 5. And we spell 5, F-I-V-E, 5. Now, the last 4 numbers in the phone number are 0, 3, 1, 2. So we have 0, Z-E-R-O, 0, 3, T-H-R-E-E, 3, 1, O-N-E, 1, and 2, T-W-O, 2. So that's the whole phone number. So let's look at this again. And if you want to practice saying it, you can practice saying it. If you want writing practice, go ahead and write each of the numbers by hand. So pause the video and see if you can remember how to spell and write each number. So we'll go through how you spell each of them, right? So the first number was 7, and this is how you spell 7. This is how you write 7, or the word 7. 7, 0, 2, 5, 5, 5, 0, 3, 1, 2. So that's the whole phone number, and this is how you spell the numbers. This is how you write the word 7. And this one is how you write the number 7. So this is the word for the number, and this is the number just by itself. Okay, so this is a new phone number. Do you know this one? Can you say this whole phone number? Try and say this whole phone number. So it's 385-960-2424. A lot of numbers. Okay, let's go through the first three. So the first three, we have 3, 8, 5. 3, 8, 5. 3, T-H-R-E-E, 3. 8, E-I-G-H-T, 8. And 5, F-I-V-E, 5. The next three are 9, 6, and 0. 9 is spelled N-I-N-E. 9. 6 is spelled S-I-X. 6. And 0 is spelled Z-E-R-O, 0. The next one is 2, 4, 2, 4. There we go. So 2, T-W-O, 2, 4, F-O-U-R, 4, 2, T-W-O, 2, and 4, F-O-U-R, 4. So that's the last ones. So can you write this whole phone number by writing the words of the number? Pause the video, try and do it. If not, we'll go through it, the whole thing. So we have the whole number, the whole phone number is 3, 8, 5, 9, 6, 0, 2, 4, 2, 4. So that's the whole phone number. 3, 8, 5, 9, 6, 0, 2, 4, 2, and 4. So that's the whole phone number. Okay, our next phone number is 9176449310. So I said that pretty fast, huh? So the first number is 917. 917. So we have 9, N-I-N-E, 9, 1, O-N-E, 1, 7, S-E-V-E-N, 7, and those are the first ones. The next ones, 6, 4, 4, 6, 4, 4. 6 is spelled S-I-X, 6, 4, F-O-U-R, 4, and 4 again, F-O-U-R, 4. Okay, the last ones, 9310. 9310. So we have 9, N-I-N-E, 9, 3, T-H-R-E-E, 3, 1, O-N-E, 1, and 0, Z-E-R-O, 0. Okay, so this is the whole number again. And you can try and write the whole number by the words and not by the numbers, or just practice saying all of the numbers. 917 644 9310. 917 644 9310. And that's the whole phone number. Okay. And then I think this is another one. So this phone number, 202-861-5720. So the first three numbers are 202. 2, we spell it T-W-O. 0 is Z-E-R-O, 0. And 2, T-W-O. 861. This first number, 8, is spelled E-I-G-H-T, 8. This next one, 6, is spelled S-I-X, 6. And this is 1, O-N-E, 1. Okay, so the last numbers, 5, 7, 2, 0. 5, 7, 2, 0. 5 is spelled F-I-V-E, 5. 7, S-E-V-E-N, 7. 2 is spelled T-W-O. And 0 is spelled Z-E-R-O, 0. Cool, so Now let's try and say that again. And I'll put up the letters or the words if you're trying to write it by words and not by numbers, if you want to practice writing. So we have 2, 0, 2, 8, 6, 1, 5, 7, 2, 0. And that's the whole number. 2, 0, 2, 8, 6, 1, 5, 7, 2, 0. I'll say that one more time a little bit slower. 2, 0, 2, 8, 6, 1, 5, 7, 2, 0. So that's the whole phone number that we have. Okay, so this practice, okay, this one's gonna be hard, but I want you to try. I just want you to try. So I have numbers all written here. 8, 0, 1, 7, 7, 7, 3, 9, 3, 9. So I want you to practice, and I want you to read each of these and then write the number that you think each one is. And you'll see, so pause the video, try to write all of these down and what number you think it is, and see if you got the right phone number. So this is the phone number. We have 8, 0, 1, 7, 7, 7, 3, 9, 3, 9. So that's the phone number. Okay. Okay, this one I'll just give you the answer and you can practice with it. So this one is 8, 0, 8, 0, 4, 7, 6, 2, 1, and 3. 8, 0, 8, 0, 4, 7, 6, 2, 1, 3. And this is all of those numbers, but written as words. So you can practice writing it in words. Okay. So the next thing I wanted to teach you and tell you is you may have heard English speakers say this. Sometimes we will say this number as 0 when we're using phone numbers or we're listing numbers. We'll say 801. But sometimes when people in English list numbers, when they're saying a lot of numbers, they say the word O instead of 0. 801. So the reason that they say this is because the 0 looks like the letter, the English letter O, right? The O in 0 and the O in 1. So instead of saying 0, they say O, O. And that means the number 0. It doesn't mean that you put, you do the letter O in the numbers. That wouldn't make sense. When people say O, and they're listing numbers, they're talking about numbers, they mean the number 0. So people in English, you can say 801, or sometimes they say 801. Okay, the other thing I wanted to show you is the numbers at the beginning of the phone number are called the area code. And area code lets you know that that phone number is from a certain area in the United States. So 385 means that the phone number, they got their phone when they lived in Utah. Now, when you move to a new state, so say you moved from Utah here all the way over to, let's say, Florida, or you moved from California right here, and you moved all the way to Hawaii. If you got a phone number in California and moved to Hawaii, you would keep your phone number if you didn't get a new phone. So if you moved to Utah or you got your phone in Utah and you moved to Florida, then you would still have your 385 or 801 area code, these first three numbers, even though you don't live there. But that's why we use them, is because these numbers tell us where the person is. That's why we use them. And it's not super important anymore nowadays, because we don't use technology is better. Um, but it is a part of people's phone numbers, and it helps you to know where somebody might be from in the US because of the first three numbers. Now, this one you probably know a lot about. These are, so this looks like a normal phone number, right, in the US. But these numbers, if you see this little sign right here, this plus sign in front of a number and then a group of numbers, that's the country code. That is what allows you to call someone that lives in another country. So you can be in the US or Canada, right? And you would, if somebody you wanted to talk to was in the US, but you were in Brazil, you would need to dial 1 before their phone number. Um, and it's the same with all the other countries. If you live in Australia or New Zealand and you wanted to call somebody in Mexico, right here, you would need to put in this a little number before the phone number, right? So that's the other thing I wanted to teach you. But that's it for today. I hope you guys had a good lesson. I hope you're doing good. Keep watching the videos. Bye.